Hi, this is a tutorial for the practice work for level 3, lesson 7. So it starts again, extra practice starts on number 3. Read each word, circle it if it's a real word, okay? So the real words are going to be kick, task, pack, spec, and desk. Those are the answers for that one. Um, these are going to be easier for your student to read often than to spell. Okay, read the first word, put a different vowel in the blank to create a new word. So the first word here we have is shack. This A says a as an apple. We're going to change it and we're going to find a different vowel, and in this case it would be shuck. So you can see luck to lick, trick could become truck, musk to mask, peck to pick, and snack to snuck would be a good one for that one. And then the final one might be the trickiest one because this is working on spelling now, okay? So it says use the milk truck rule to figure out if it should be spelled with a K or with a CK. So the only time we use CK is after a short vowel. So if your student is struggling with this rule, then what I would have them do is I would go ahead and have them mark everything that has the short vowel that's right next to the line. So this has something blocking it. This has something blocking it. Short vowel, something blocking it, short vowel. Something blocking it, something blocking it, something blocking it, and another short vowel. After all of these short vowels, we are going to spell the word with a CK. After the ones that have that blocking, in this case, consonant, it's going to be a K. So that's the spelling rule for this. So again, the milk truck rule is the only time you use CK as after a short vowel. So those are the 3 practice pages. Let's take a look at the fluency drills. We have fluency drills here. Most of these I would focus on any words that they don't know. So I would use this not just for reading and fluency, but I would also make sure that they know all of the vocabulary in here and could use all of these words in a sentence. Nonsense words. Nonsense words are always going to be harder than the real words. Focus if your student has a misread. Let's say they read this one. They read hilk as helk. My correction for that would be to tap your vowel first. So this would be itchy, itchy, I, and then you come back and touch and say the sounds. I, k, hilk. Okay, so again, misreads, the correction for that is to tap your vowel and then to touch and say each sound. So let's say they read stack as stack. I would say, okay, I want you to tap your vowel, and they would say Eddie, Eddie, and then touch and say would be st, and then the CK only gets one tap because it makes one sound. St, stack. So that is how we do the nonsense words. You definitely will notice more errors reading nonsense words because they are not mapped in your child's brain yet. And then for sight words, they can go ahead and read them. Most students don't struggle with the reading of sight words, but they do struggle with the spelling. So if you're working on these and your student does struggle with sight words, this would be a good time to maybe play a game where you can do tic-tac-toe and have them spell a couple of the words. Common words that are misspelled are does, goes, and said, and were. Were also is one of those words that gets easily confused with the word where. So I would make sure your student knows how to use were in a sentence. Were you going to go to school today? Were you at the store last night? It's always begins a question versus where. Where is the store? Where are you going? Okay, so just make sure they understand the difference and how to use both were and where in a sentence. Okay, thank you.